Your Excellency, our President, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the First Lady, Mama Rachel Ruto, the Speaker of the National Assembly, Right Honorable Moses Wetangula, the CS, in charge of sports, our great heroes and heroines, the Olympians, good morning. Your Excellency, what a beautiful day, what a moment that we are here today, that our Olympians have arrived here, having honored the country, having dignified our country, and their president is here to receive them in the City of Champions, and later on award a charter to the status of this great Eldoret as a city. It's a momentous day. Your Excellency, these heroes and heroines have done our country proud. And the Olympics is always a unifying moment for the people of Kenya. As Kenyans watch the TVs and the national anthem is sung, there's a lot of nationalism and patriotism, and we really want to thank our athletes for the dignity they have accorded this great country. I want to encourage you to continue carrying the name of our country high. It's only probably these officials can engineer the rules, because the people of Kenya are normally very patient. The people of Kenya would like us to go straight to the finals and get the medals. If it were possible, I think it's something you can work on. Because even that impatience that was there is because they don't know that process. That for you to get a medal, you need to go through many processes. They just want the medal and nothing else. If that can be reworked, I think it can satisfy the people of Kenya. I don't think it is possible. I was telling the president this morning that in this country, if criticism was a sport, we would win all the medals. As we were waiting for the medals, all manner of critics in social media were all over hammering us. We are not doing well until the medals started coming. But I don't think the Kenyans were meant bad. I think they just won the medals. So we just have to bear with them.